Here's a quick tutorial on how to use an image search to find whatever you're looking for from something like a website like PatPat or Amazon or wherever. Apparently there's all sorts of stores out there. Yes, kid. So if you go in here and find one you like the look of, take a screenshot of that puppy, go over to AliExpress, add that photo, and then take a look. Now, there's limitations with this search. It doesn't rank it by price, and there's a lot of things that don't show. However, it's obviously better than nothing, and if I go to dresses, it should even have more. So at first glance, the first one that comes up is $9.32 up to $12.80. There it is. And this particular store has a few other goodies too. It's got this one. Pretzels. Queens. This pattern and this pattern. There's often feedback that the colors aren't bright enough, but let's see if anyone says that. Hey, kid. Yep. Not bad. They do say it's kind of cut small, but dude, always buy bigger clothes. You're buying from China. So if you take this guy and you ordered that, you'd probably get it a heck of a lot sooner, and you wouldn't be paying shipping, and you wouldn't have to get all the way up to $45 to get it for free. Or not free, free shipping, you know what I mean. And heck, I found all sorts of things on here. I found shoes, I found all sorts of goodies that are coming, like that I already own sometimes. I've been saving this dress in my cart for months, trying to decide if I want to get it because it's only in a size 2T and up. Yep, see? And I could get it for $11, $9 to $11. There you go. Why would if I'm organized, why would I buy it through PatPat? Anyhow, there's your tutorial for the day. Cheers.